CATLINK Baymax. Not only do I scoop poo, I am also a health assistant for cats. I don't take up much space, but my abilities are impressive. With an integrated cabin and barrel, I provide a spacious area, allowing cats to move freely and comfortably. Our weight-based multi-cat recognition system can recognize every cat in the household. Litter tracking? No big deal. One simple touch, and I'll take care of the rest. Voila! No more sticky poo. With our Health Pro monitoring system, powered by our advanced patented algorithm, and real-time litter box usage monitoring from CATLINK app. You'll be the first to know should there be any health issues. You will have the health conditions of your little fluffies right at your fingertips. When you leave home, just leave your cats to me. With a 7-liter waste bin, you don't need to worry about scooping for up to 15 days. Scheduled automatic cleaning and real-time notification means you can travel far away without worries. With a unique odor isolation design, you'll no longer have to worry about unpleasant smells. Our built-in gel deodorizer makes the air fresher and cleaner, so you'll never have to worry about unpleasant odors ever again. Quick litter replacement, one click to empty the compartment. Without getting your hands dirty, make maintenance a breeze. Our agile dual wheels design allow you to move the litter box wherever you want, easily with one hand. With a 2-second bag replacement system, you can effortlessly dispose of used litter bags with a simple push and pull. CATLINK Baymax Cat Litter Box makes pet care easier than ever. CATLINK. Link everything for cat's life.
Traditional litter boxes can be smelly, as well as a breeding ground for bacteria. Comfipaws self-cleaning cat litter box is your hands-free solution to a healthier environment. Curious cats transition to the litter box with ease, leaving you free to go about your day. After the cleaning operation has completed, the ionic deodorizer activates to freshen the air without the use of harmful chemicals. Built-in sensors automatically stop operations whenever cats are near. The convenient app lets you easily keep track of your cat's toilet times, as well as monitor their health, control the litter box's operations, and more. Changing the bags is easy, so you can get back to a comfortable, beautiful, odor-free life.